My name is Jonelle, and I'm gonna attempt to give myself a brow lamination. I wanted to get my brows laminated, and I thought whether I spend $100 on one treatment, not saying that that's too expensive. I know product, people's time, the service, all the 9 yards. Or I can spend $17 on Amazon and try to do it myself and hopefully not fuck it up. I got this on Amazon for $17.95. Joshua bought it for me because he forgot his card was already set onto his Amazon account. It's a lash lift kit, but I watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos and it's basically the same steps as lifting your lashes and using the same products, except on your brows, and I don't need the lifting pads. The kit comes with false lash glue, step 1, step 2 for the perming, step 3, which is like a nutritional oil because it's damaging, and then number 4, the cleanser, and then the cleaning tools and the lift pads, like if you were to lift your brows. So I watched a whole bunch of videos and now I'm gonna attempt to do it myself. I'm gonna clean my eyebrows first. I have these reusable cotton pads. I have a mirror. And I'm just going to wipe my eyebrows clean because you don't want any oils or dirt or any of that good stuff on your brows. Okay, next step is, oh shit, I need saran wrap. You need saran wrap to lay the hairs in place for like the duration of time that the perm is supposed to stay on, 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna take false lash glue and the cleaning tool, which is this little thing. This, I guess, is what you use to scrape off the excess product, and this is what you use to comb the hairs in place. I already tried it and this kind of hurts, so I might just use a spoolie instead. I saw a video and the girl said that this glue dries on really quickly, so I'm going to do section by section. Also, if you see a little bit of like microblading, I went and got my brows microbladed like for 50 bucks at this place where they were like, they needed models. And I did it like years ago, but it's still etched into my skin and it's been like 4 years. And my hairs are also super stubborn and they do not like to stay in place. So I think this is where like the laying down comes in handy, because I feel like the fact that I'm upright is making the hairs fall. Oh, maybe I should use this instead. It just hurts. Listen, this goes well. Come to my crib and I will only charge you $30. Okay, I think that's good. Look at the difference. This is like nothing done yet, and this is first step done. Next, we are going to apply the perming solution, which is step 1. I heard this smells bad. I have them set down perfectly. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and take the perming solution and just apply it directly onto my brows, like so. And then just go in once more to like make sure the hairs are all set in the direction that you would like them to be before you lay down your saran wrap. Okay. done. Now, it smells so bad. I'm gonna take my saran wrap and literally, oh my god, that's too much, cover my eyebrow like that. And wait 12 minutes. So I'm done with lotion 1. I'm gonna need lotion 2 after. Should open it. Didn't even notice your punches got the roll. Oh shit. I lost it. It fell. And I don't know where it went. Oh, found it. If this works out well, I'm gonna be really impressed with myself. Yes, it is. I'm doing the Renegade over and over and over and over again. What's the other one? I just want to be TikTok famous. Can you imagine if I took the saran wrap off and all of my hair came off with it? For the next step after, we need to remove the excess with this scrapey thingy and then apply fixation number 2 to my eyebrow. I'm glad I'm doing one at a time so you can see the before and the after without me having to take a literal before and the after. I know I could, but still this is just the before and the after. And then I will show you the grooming process if I need to, might not. I might not even have to tint it because with them all brushed up, it makes my hairs look so much fuller. 2 minutes. The before and after is wild. It's amazing. Absolutely. Girl. Make sure the solutions do not touch your skin. Wow. A little too late for that. Okay, 10 or 12 minutes up. I'm gonna slowly remove it. It says to remove the excess product. So I'm just gonna scrape. Ow! My goodness. Oh! Pulled some hairs off. Makes me a little bit nervous. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. I'm just gonna use this to wipe it off because I'm really scared now. Next, I'm gonna use fixation number 2. Same thing. I'm using the other side of the Q-tip and applying this onto my brows, like so. Again, taking my spoolie, brushing the hairs up and in place where I would want it to go. Also, you cannot get your brows wet for 24 to 48 hours. You must keep them dry. Another 10 minutes, please. This treatment apparently should last 6 to 8 weeks. If all goes well and this lasts as long as it says it's going to, ciao. This will be a miracle. The videos that I've watched I've used the same kit that I've used, and they all said that this tool was shit, and I'm going to confirm these are shit. This is so sharp, it like, that's why my skin is so red, because when I first used it, it like scratched the hell out of me. But so far, so good. But like the difference. Can you imagine if I perm my brows in like a wave? That'd be so funny. So after this is done setting, I'm going to cleanse and then apply the nutritional oil. So this is the cleanse. This is the nutritional oil, which has collagen in it. And then I'm gonna do my last eyebrow off camera and then show you the final result at the end. And so far it's going really well. So I'm really glad that I decided to try doing this myself. Oh, okay, so timer went off. Lift this off. I'm a little red. Like I said, it is a-okay. And then wipe it off the excess product. I'm gonna use my spoolie to brush in place, and then you also have to make sure you just keep brushing the hair up. Now I'm gonna apply the nutrition oil, so a little bit, just a wee bit. Just to bring some life back into my brows. I don't think I'm gonna tint them because they already look so full. I don't think I need it. But I am going to trim the hairs a little bit. Okay, so this is the finished result. I did the second eyebrow off camera. Thank goodness I did, because it took forever. This eyebrow did not want to stay up, but I made it stay up. I trimmed them a little bit off camera, and then I tweezed a couple of hairs on this side underneath that didn't need to be there. And this is the finished product. Final verdict, it came out exactly the way I wanted it to, exactly the way it would have if I went and spent $100 for someone else to do this. Yeah, so I'm extremely pleased with the results. I will keep you updated if it lasts the 6 to 8 weeks, but even if it doesn't, I only spent $17 on the kit. I could easily do it again later. So yeah, I love it. It looks freaking amazing. Like, they're so full, I won't even need to tint them. I won't even need to put color. I just bought boy brow, and now I don't even need it because they are so full already and on their own. I'm a little bit red because, like I said, these hairs were like super difficult, but I'm obsessed. They look so good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.